Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to Zapier so you can automate file management and streamline your workflows. First, log into your Zapier account and navigate to the My Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Connect a New Account and search for Google Drive in the app list. Select Google Drive when it appears. Zapier will ask you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your login details and grant permission for Zapier to access your Google Drive files and folders. Once connected, Google Drive will be available as an app when you create or edit Zaps. This allows you to trigger workflows based on file changes or create actions like uploading or moving files automatically. For example, you can set a Zap to save email attachments directly to a specific Google Drive folder or notify you when new files are added. Make sure to test the connection by running a sample Zap to confirm everything works properly. Connecting Google Drive to Zapier helps you manage your documents and files more efficiently through automation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.